What's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a blessed, growing, prosperous day. We are still doing our succession growing series, and we're also sending special prayers to the Bryant family, the Kobe Bryant family. You guys, um, I'm still doing my succession videos, but I'm also doing shout outs towards his family and wishing them much strength. I cannot imagine, you guys. That's why I love and live and laugh on my friends, my family, you guys. I love you guys. I mean, you just don't know how much love you have shown me doing my YouTube, my Facebook, my I don't even do Instagram a lot, but some people have shown me love on Instagram. I keep getting notifications going, you have a new follower on Instagram, or you have a new member. Or if I get a new member on YouTube or Facebook, you guys, y'all just don't know. Oh my goodness, how good you make me feel. I'm quite sure. Maybe you do know how good you make me feel because I keep saying, I love you, I love you, I love you. You guys are the best. God has blessed me today. I went with a friend of mine to surgery. He came through it. He's doing good. We're going to rehabilitate and get him back on his regular feet. And we're just going to enjoy life and love. And thank God for bringing us through. You know, some people don't make it through. So I just thank God for being here. And I thank God for you. I thank God for you. I really do. So today we're just gonna continue our succession planning, and I have 3 containers here, you guys. Can you see them? Yeah. And they're different sizes, as you can see. And these are containers you can get when you order food from Chinese restaurants or anything that comes with a soup. Sometimes they come like this. You know, I normally order my like hot and sour soup, or either my wonton soup, or either my egg roll. Just kidding. But yeah, I love them. Here we go. What we're gonna do is continue our succession planning, and I want to show you the seeds, you guys. You remember we've been planting the seeds, so let's just look at them. And I've planted more, y'all. I'm loving my Ziploc bag germination, you know, method. I'm loving my Ziploc bag germination method. So I'm going to be trying a lot of, I have chili peppers here in the Ziploc. I'm going to try and germinate those. I have a no name. These are tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes. I know what they are because I can tell. These are cherry tomatoes. We're going to try and germinate those from seeds too. And here we go. These are our Keystone Giant. Oh, can y'all see that? These are the Keystone Giant. You know I'm going to show them to you when they germinate. And these are more cherry. I hope y'all can see it. But anyway, I'm just showing you. I'm germinating more seeds in the bag. These are the big steak. Yes. We're gonna try germinating all this stuff. So let's get back to our regular one that we germinated a couple days ago. And I showed you the seeds, the cucumber and the squash. So let's go back to our, let's see what these are. Okay, these are our squash. Look, you guys. Put them in my hand. Oh, there we go. You see that? Out of the seed, the root will come. want you guys to see it like really good. And this is the seed portion up top. And then you see the roots. You see that, y'all? The seed I planted is right here. And then look at that. Look at the roots. Okay? And, we just did a video the other day. Look, don't give up on your seeds when they don't germinate instantly. Here we go. Let me hold it that way. Can y'all see it? And look, y'all. Look how long. Oh, it's amazing how they come out differently. Look at this one compared to this one. And they're both the same type of seed from Green Valley. Thank you for the light, Lord. Thank you, God, for the light. I got my cell phone sitting on top of my laptop and I'm recording, y'all. Yes, I just had to make a video for you guys. And then here are the other two. Okay, so what we're gonna do, like I showed you before, what I'm gonna do with these squash seeds, we're gonna try them in a smaller container. And I have my soil over here. This is the burpee. Remember I told you about the burpee soil? Yeah, that's the burpee. We're gonna try the burpee soil. This is an experiment, you guys. We always experiment. You know how we do. We love to try new stuff. The Skinny Boy Garden Randy soil is doing great, but we're gonna try other stuff too. Okay? Because I'm not a professional. You know I'm not a professional, but I like growing. So here we go. I'm gonna tap that down a little bit, and then we're gonna plant the rest of our 4 squash. Y'all ready? Let's do it. So what we said, we're gonna plant. We got 4 seeds, so we're gonna put 4 holes up to the first portion of our finger. That's that first line on your finger. Just go 1 up. Let's pack this. Let's pack this soil down a little bit more. Okay, there we go. You see it? And then just take your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can y'all see that? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. It's weird trying to video and talk at the same time. So we're gonna take our very first. Well, this is the first out of the second batch, succession planting. We're gonna take this. Look how long that root is, you guys. And we're gonna take it and we're gonna make sure that we don't disturb that root. Okay? And we're gonna set it right in the soil. Right there. Let's set it in this one. Oh, it would. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. We're gonna set it in the soil. Can y'all see? Okay. And just cover it up a little bit. You see the seed top right there? You're gonna leave that out. You don't want to push that in, and you don't want to do a whole bunch of packing. Don't do no packing. Don't do a whole bunch of packing. And I just showed y'all how to do this yesterday. So we're gonna drop this one in there and put a little seed thing on it. Oh, and I have to show you the ones from yesterday. The ones we planted yesterday. Yes, they have come up literally. And just take this, look at that root, y'all. Can y'all see that? I hope so. And this is the squash. Just lay it down in there and cover it up. That's what I did with the ones yesterday. Take the last one and put it down in there and just cover it up a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. And that's all you do. And we have one, I'm going to show you one, 2, 3, and 4. You know I ain't pointing to the right one. But anyway, that's the 4 squash. We're going to do those. Now you see how they look today. Like I did yesterday, right? So, before we go any further, I'm going to show you. This is what I did yesterday. You guys know, you watched me do it. We had the seeds sticking out a little bit. Remember? We had the seeds sticking out a little bit. Let me show you what happened since yesterday. Be right back. Sorry, you guys, I'm back. Believe you me, look. Look. Okay, let's start with what we're working on. Now, this is what I'm doing now. And this is what I did yesterday. You remember? Look. Look at Mother Nature. Look how quickly these grow. You see that, you guys? These were the seeds we germinated in about 48 to 72 hours. And this is what they look like in their container. I just showed y'all this yesterday. Y'all know I ain't playing, I ain't lying. Y'all know I ain't lying, I ain't lying. You ain't got to lie, Craig. You ain't got to lie. But yeah, look. It started off like this. And then I put them in here. All this is the 4 to 5 days, yes, from seed. And oh my goodness, look how quickly they grow. Let me let that sit right there so y'all can see it. Y'all like my Hawaiian shirt my mom made me? She made me this on my first cruise, when I went on my first cruise. But we're not gonna go on that road. Just want to show you guys. And this one, I love how the seeds are coming out. Look, can y'all see that? How it's just, it'll pop out of the shell on its own. Okay? Now, put this over here. And then, remember our cucumber. The cucumbers. Yes. We doing this for real, y'all. This ain't for fake. This is for real. I'm doing some real life for y'all. Okay? Okay. Now let's open. Oh, look at them seeds. Look at them seeds. Look at them seeds. Whoa. Remember the ones that didn't germinate yesterday? And I hope this camera picks it up very clearly. I'm even being quiet because I want y'all to see how these have germinated. Look. Ooh, they falling all off the net. Ooh, they on the keyboard. Ooh, here we go. Look, y'all. Let me, I looked at my last video and I realized I was moving my hand too fast. So let me separate these. See? Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Be careful. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look Look at that. All this is from one seed. So we're gonna take these 4. Oh my goodness, y'all. God is so good. Look at that. It even got a leaf on it. Y'all know I'm so happy. I'm just like super duper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at there. Look at there. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Okay. So yes, we are happy. These are our 4 seeds. We're gonna take some more soil. We're gonna put it in a medium container.